Hey guys, welcome to the video. Today we're going to be doing a declutter. I'm just not going to show my face because this one's going to be boring. So what we're going to do today is skincare and I think primers and such. We're going to do that number. So I hope that you enjoy. We're going to go through these drawers first. I have skincare in here of things that won't fit in this drawer. So pretty excited to get into this one and really declutter some skincare because I have so much that I literally don't need and I'm never going to be able to use. So I'm excited to go through here and declutter. So I hope that you enjoy. Also going to be decluttering this drawer. Pretty excited. So yeah. Stick around. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Follow me on Poshmark. And yeah, I'll have all that information down below. Let's get started. Okay, so I have cleared the drawer out. So I'm going to just put the things in there that I'm going to personally keep, and then I'll show you everything that I decided I don't want anymore. Okay, so skincare drawer is done, and I will show you in just a second what I've decluttered. Now let's do this drawer here. hello, I have quite the mess to clean up now and figure out what I want to put on my Poshmark and actually give to family members. I also have more in here, so I'm going to go through it and put it in kind of like piles, if that makes any sense. So everything going in this box will be going on Poshmark. Okay. And then everything in this box, including these masks and such, will be going to family members. So I think I did pretty freaking good for this declutter, if I do say so myself. So yeah, that's a humongous box, if I do say so myself. And then that I'm giving to family, on top of everything else that I've already decluttered. Let's just say I have a lot of posting to do. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this declutter. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!